Be careful with this little word in English that might be making you sound rude without you even realizing it. Imagine your colleague asks, "Are you working on the report?" If you say, "Actually, I'm busy," it can come across as arrogant. It's like you're correcting them, implying, "Obviously, I'm busy." It can make the other person feel a bit small. Here's a much better way. Try using currently or right now instead. When asked the same question, you could say, "Currently, I'm working on something else, but I can start on it soon." See how much better that sounds? It's polite, factual, and shows you're a team player. So, here's a quick rule. Use actually when you need to correct information. Like, actually, the meeting is at 3 p.m., not 2 p.m. Use currently to explain what you're doing right now. It's a small word, but it makes a huge difference in how you're perceived at work. If you want more simple tips that no one ever teaches you, make sure to hit that follow button. Thanks for watching.